Hi, good morning, and welcome to today's class. My name is Heather, and let's all get started by sitting ourselves on the floor and bringing your legs out in front of you. Flex the feet so that your toes point up towards the sky and bend through the left knee. From here, go ahead and grab onto your left knee with your right arm, or you can even hook the elbow onto it. Left fingertips come behind you for a twist. Untwist. Take this left leg down, bring the knee down. Instead of facing your torso towards the front of your mat, let's actually open up this left leg a little bit so that your torso faces a little bit towards the side of you. Take the right hand, top of the hand touches the floor, left hand, inhale, comes up and over to the side of you. On an exhale, bring it down. Place this left hand behind you and just lift up the hips. Right arm swings up and around. Open up the chest towards the sky. Exhale, bring it back down. And come back to face the front. Extend that left leg back out in front of you. Flex those toes again. Inhale, lift up the arms, spine nice and long. And exhale, fold forward. As forward as is comfortable for you. With every inhale, try to extend the spine a little bit longer, and every exhale, fold maybe just a little bit deeper. And on an inhale, bring that torso back to seated, straight up. Lift up the right knee. Grab onto it with the left arm, or if you hooked the elbow, go ahead and do that. Right fingertips come behind you and twist, look back to the right. Gently untwist. Bring this right knee to the floor. Again, instead of facing the torso forward, let's face it a little bit to the right. Opening up this right leg. And take the left top of the hand to the floor. Inhale, send the right hand up and above. For this side stretch on the other side. On an exhale, float this right hand down behind you. Plant that palm, lift up the hips. Come up, bring the left hand up and over, and open your chest towards the sky. Exhale, bring it all back down. Syncing up with our breath this morning. Let's just go ahead and take both legs back. Come to a tabletop position. So bringing your hips directly over your knees, shoulders directly over your wrist, fingers spread wide. Nice intention in every part of the body. Inhale, lower the belly. Open up through the chest. And exhale, round the back. Bring the chin in. Inhale, lower the stomach. And exhale, chin in, back of the neck long. Let's just do a couple more of these in your own time. Syncing it up. As the belly drops, you inhale. As the back rounds, you exhale. Take your time. No need to rush. And one more wherever you're at. Come to a neutral tabletop, and let's take the right foot forward, right in between the hands. You might have to lift up the chest a little bit. Inhale, let's send both arms all the way up to the sky for a low lunge. Squeeze through those inner thighs as you lengthen down through your tailbone, through the hips. Reaching up, but also keeping those shoulders nice and relaxed as well. We don't want to be hiking up our shoulders towards our ears. From here, take this left foot, swing it out to the right side of your mat behind you, and both arms open up to the side for almost like a low warrior two. Look forward. Again, relax the shoulders. And then take this left hand to the ground. Turn so that the inside of the right foot is facing in. And open up again towards the sky. Open that chest up. Right hand up and above. From here, lift up all the way. Use that core. Take the right hand to the legs and to the right leg, and inhale, left hand comes up and over. Getting all the good side body stretches in today. Come back down, walk your fingertips forward, shift your whole body back to that low lunge where we were in the front, and then take that right foot back. Let's just switch. Bring the left foot forward, right in between the hands. Inhale, rise up. Both hands into low lunge. Inner thighs squeeze towards one another as you lengthen down through those hips. In this way, we're not only stretching, but we're also strengthening. Great. Take that right foot back behind you, sweep it, and then open up the arms to the right side. Look forward. And then take those right fingertips to the floor. Left foot turns in. Open up the left arm up and over, and the chest to that sun that is above you. And slowly lift up your torso. Left hand comes to the left leg. Inhale, right fingertips up and over. Or this gate pose. One of my favorite side stretches. Slowly walk both fingertips back to the front. Take that left foot back so that you're in that tabletop again. Both knees come out wide. Toes come to touch. Uncurl the toes if they were curled under. Send the hips back and send one palm forward and then the other to come to a child's pose. Lower the forehead to the mat. If you'd like to set an intention for your day, this is a great spot for that. Maybe it's that you want to be a little more calm throughout your day. Find a little more joy, a little more peace. Whatever it is, try to form maybe a phrase or just one word of how you would like your day to go. Let's take 3 more deep breaths. And if you'd like to stay here or take a Shavasana, laying down on your back, feel free before you get back up. If you'd like to get back up with me today, slowly walk both hands towards you as you lift back up to seated, and open your eyes if you had them closed. Thank you so much for joining me today for this morning yoga class. I hope that you have a good one and that you hold on to that intention throughout your day. If you like this class, make sure to give it a like and comment down below on how it went for you. Also, make sure to subscribe for free yoga classes here every single week. Have a good one. Namaste.